but don't have your laptops in front of you. And our experts have joined us, R. Srishankar, Mayuresh Joshi and Darpin Shah. Mayuresh Joshi, your first thoughts on these numbers. 12.46 gross NPA. That's more because the advances book has shrunk by about 7,000 crores compared to last quarter. Loan growth 20%, domestic loan growth that is. Margins at 2.65 versus 2.51 in the previous quarter.
Yeah, Lata, I think the loan growth has been quite phenomenal this time around. And as you are rightly pointing out, the retail advances have grown at a very fast clip. So even in the previous quarter, the retail advances had grown a robust 42%. And again, I think the share at that quarter end was around 23%. And the management still believed at the end of that quarter that the advances would grow at 15%, led by 25% in retail loans. So that's an heartening sign. What you've probably seen in terms of the reported NIMs are also better than what one had factored on, or rather I had factored on into my workings. So a large element is just the slippage number. So I think the expectation largely was that the slippage number should moderate on quarter basis. But as you rightly pointed out, I think if the advances growth has been tad lower, the number in percentage terms might be looking higher. But one really needs to have a line-by-line item on what these slippages number are and where it is coming from.
Okay, I'm tempted to think that the slippage number will be high, but the management will probably guide. Are you likely to upgrade it, do you think?
Yes, some numbers will definitely be upgraded, but definitely depending on the commentary of the management.
Mayuresh, what is your price target? Some price movement has already happened. Are you likely to upgrade, downgrade, leave unchanged?
No, sir, as Arvind was mentioning, and as I mentioned as well, I think the management commentary specifically in terms of how the NPA situation is revolving is clearly going to be the defining moment for the bank. As I said, the loan growth specifically on the domestic side has been good. The NIMs are better than what we had expected. So the accumulate rating on the stock was something that we continued. Yes, a few numbers, as Darpin pointed out, will get upgraded in terms of the loan growth, in terms of NIMs, and that probably should get modeled into our Excel sheets. And any guidance in terms of a positive traction on asset quality, I think that will definitely prop up the earnings estimates. So yes, I think the accumulator rating continues.
All right. Thank you very much, Darpin, Mayuresh and Sri Kumar for joining us, Sri Shankar, sorry, for joining us with your thoughts.